But Ben, we're getting some fresh numbers from USDA coming up near the end of this week or heading into the end of this week, looking at some updated acreage numbers along with some grain stocks reports numbers. So, Ben, how impactful is this, kind of in the middle of the growing season as we get a snapshot of the picture on, again, the acreage that we're looking at this year, along with the grain stocks that are currently kind of held back there?
I'll go out on a limb. This is my limb. So we get two big reports on the same day here at the end of June. We get the June 1 grain stocks and we get the acreage report, as you mentioned. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that the biggest surprise isn't going to come on the acreage side. It's going to come in the grain stocks numbers. Why do I say that? I define surprise as things that impact the market substantially. I think the market struggles to digest USDA's acreage numbers. They have been big drivers of the markets in the past, certainly thinking that they could be there. But I think there's a little bit more uncertainty this year in the grain stocks numbers, and that's why I think that we could see not only large stocks, but we could see stocks that are bigger than what market analysts had been anticipating. Let's switch to the picture of the acreage side here for just a second. So in March, when USDA surveyed producers replied to USDA that they intended to plant 6.5 million acres less than what many analysts had thought. This led to a very bullish reaction in the market. A lot of people have questioned whether we've lost 6.5 million acres of cropland year over year. This is one of those instances where producers, always talk about USDA being wrong. This is one of those things where it provided a bullish surprise. So if it does turn out to where we have more acres than we thought, it's going to cause markets to go down. The trade is certainly currently anticipating that we gain some of those 6.5 million acres back. Again, I don't think they're really lost. It's just a question of, are we going to plant everything? Do we have more hay ground out there? Is there a larger CRP enrollment this year than what we've seen in the past?